Topic is the statistics and chapter 17. We are supposed to start exercise 17A, and the exercise 17A, the question number is 17. And this question is on the page 500. For example, here we are supposed to write the page number is 500. What is that question? The mean of three numbers x, y and z is like 6, and the mean of five numbers x, y, G, A and B is A. For example, first of all it is given the mean of three numbers, that is 6. After that, the mean of five numbers is supposed to add two numbers more, like A and B. That is, now it becomes mean is A. We are supposed to find the mean of A and B. A and B are the numbers which are we supposed to add it after 3x, y and z. Okay, for the solution, it is given the mean of x, y and z. If we are supposed to write the formula of the mean, that is basically, for example, mean is equal to sum of data or the sum of numbers over number of numbers. For this formula, we are supposed to find the total sum of x, y and z. For example, if we are supposed to write over here, that is the mean is given, that is 6. To check, it is 6, and the sum is, for example, x plus y plus z. These are three numbers, and we are supposed to write over 3 because the total number having the total numbers are 3, x, y and z. Now, the cross multiplication, we get x plus y plus z, that is 6 times 3 gives us 18. It means we have the sum of three numbers is 18. Now, the second part of this question is the five numbers, and mean is 8. What are those five numbers? Those five numbers are, we have, for example, x plus y plus z, and then we have plus a plus b. These are the five numbers, and its mean is given, that is 8. Now we are supposed to find the total numbers, the sum of the five numbers. Same is supposed to apply the formula, sum of numbers over number of numbers. Now we have x plus y plus z plus a plus b is with the help of the cross multiplication we get 40. It means the sum of the five numbers is 40, and still we are supposed to find the mean of a and b. If we are supposed to check here, x plus y plus z, its value is 18. We are supposed to substitute the value x plus y plus z, which one is 18, and then plus a plus b, it is 40. We are supposed to find a plus b. Now, a plus b gives us, so a plus b equals to 40 minus 18. After that we get a plus b is to 22. That is supposed to subtract 18 from 40, it gives us 22. Now, we are supposed to find the mean of a and b, and the mean means we have the sum of numbers, two numbers, and the total sum is 22. We are supposed to find the mean of a and b. For example, mean of a and b, that is 22 by 2. 22 by 2. And when we are supposed to divide 22 by 2, it gives us 11. This is the mean value of a and b. Please listen again this question. The question was first, mean of the three numbers is given, which one is 8. We are supposed to find the total sum or the numbers of x, y and z, which one is 18. Then, the second part of this question is the five numbers. Three numbers x, y and z, and the two numbers added a and b. Now, we are supposed to find the total sum of the five numbers, which one is 40. The sum of the three numbers are given, that is 18. We are supposed to subtract 18 from 40, it gives us 42. Because we have the two numbers, that's why we are supposed to divide it by 2 to get the mean value of a and b. Each number is not, it means each number is 11.